Hello everyone, we have this problem 3 to the power of x equals x. What's the value of x? Now how are you going to do it? From here I'm going to introduce natural log to the both sides of the equation. So we're going to be having ln of 3 to the power of x equals ln of x. Now using the law, when you have log a to the power of b, so this will be b log a. Alright, so we're going to use the idea. Using the idea, we'll move further. So we're going to have this x will come down like this. We are going to be having x ln of 3 equals ln of x. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do, we divide both sides by x, divide both sides by x, divide by x, divide by x. So now from there you see that x, we cancel x here. So the next thing we're going to have ln of 3 equals ln of x over x. So we can rewrite the equation like this, putting ln of x over x to the left hand side, and we have ln of 3 at the right hand side. So we just interchange that. Alright, the next thing we're going to do here is that we're going to have ln of x multiplied by 1 over x equals ln of 3. So recall that when you have a to the power of minus 1 is same thing as having 1 over what? 1 over a. Okay, so we're going to apply the same thing here, so that 1 over x will be x to the power of minus 1. So from there, we're going to have ln of x multiplied by x to the power of minus 1, then equals ln of 3. Alright, so from there, so the next thing we're going to do is that I want us to recall that e to the power of ln of x, or let me use a instead, of a will definitely give us what? Will definitely give us a. So therefore I'm going to apply that here. Alright, and that's going to be ln of x multiplied by e to the power of ln of x minus 1, which is equals to ln of 3. So moving on, we're going to have ln of x multiplied by e to the power of minus 1 ln of x, then equals ln of 3. Now let's recall that from Lambert W function, Lambert W function state that when you have w function of a e to the power of a, you know that this will give us what? This will give us a. That is Lambert function. So we are going to use or apply that Lambert function here, because the Lambert W function is what we're going to use to get the value of x. Alright, so from there, e to the power of minus ln of x equals ln of 3. So now you'll see that a is here, that must give us back our a. Now here we have ln of x, here we have minus ln of x here. So definitely, let's try to multiply minus 1 to the both sides of the equation here. Therefore, we're going to have minus 1 multiplied by ln of x e to the power of minus ln of x, then equals minus 1 multiplied by ln of 3. So now from there, you see we have what? Minus ln of x e to the power of minus ln of x, then equals minus ln of 3. So now from here, we can now apply the Lambert W function, because we can see that here we have what? We have minus ln of x, and here we have minus ln of x. So now we can now simply have this, that is w, okay? Then we have the function, we'll have minus ln of x e minus ln of x equals w, okay? Then we have what? We have minus ln of 3. So now from there, so we can easily say that this give what? This give us minus ln of x, then equals, using this what? Using the Lambert W function. So which is what? Which is w, have w, that will give us w minus ln of 3. Alright, so from there, the next thing we're going to do is, now we see that this ln of x, we can write it as ln of x to the power of minus 1. When this minus 1 here goes become the power of x, so that will be minus 1. Alright, so from there, we're going to have that to be equals w minus ln of 3. So now from here, so we introduce e to the both sides. If you introduce e to the both sides of the equation, so you see that here we're going to have what? We're going to have this, we actually cancel this. We're going to have x to the power of minus 1, then x to the power of minus 1 equals what? E to the power of w minus ln of 3. So now from here, you can rewrite this as 1 over x, okay, 1 over x, then equals e to the power of w minus ln of 3. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do, if we take the reciprocal of both sides of the equation, so we're going to have x over 1, then equals what? 1 over e to the power of w minus ln of 3. Alright, so from there, we're going to have the value of x to be x equals 1 over e w minus ln of 3. And from there, so that is what? That is our solution. We have the solution to the problem with this. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the class, kindly share it to your friends so they can learn from this. Bye.